Storytime with Liam Filipino edition. Makapatid sina Tic-Tac-Toc at Pick-Pack-Boom pero magkabiba ang ugali nila. Maraming kalaro si Tic-Tac-Toc, marami namang kalagi si Pick-Pack-Boom. Marunong bumaling si Tic-Tac-Toc, 1, 2, 3. Sagot naman ni Pick-Pack-Boom ang tatay ng kalbo. You get the joke, guys? Malusog si Tic-Tac-Toc dahil sa gatas, gulay, itlog, pero saking si Pick-Pack-Boom dahil maring sa soft drinks, chocolate at candy. Doesn't chocolate kill dogs? Chocolate will kill the dogs. That's not a good thing. Pick-Pack-Boom has to go to the vet. Tumatong si Tic-Tac-Toc sa kaling tatay at nanay pero si Pick-Pack-Boom laging nalaro sa langsan. Isang araw may pulot na karne si Tic-Tac-Toc. Tingnan mo, sabi pa na Pick-Pack-Boom, kinuha ni Pick-Pack-Boom ang karne sintingkan. Mabalis na tumakbo si Pick-Pack-Boom at tingay sa pepper karne, pahimi naman sigaw. Ow. Wait guys, I have to make my puppies go inside the house. They almost bit me. At naghahabulan ang dalawa. Nakapagtago agad si Pick-Pack-Boom. Hinagal naman si Tic-Tac-Toc nang hindi makita ng kapatid na po lamang si Tic-Tac-Toc. Habang papahinga si Tic-Tac-Toc, may dumating sa isang modelo. Tumakbo agad si Tic-Tac-Toc at sumigaw ng sumigaw. Pick-Pack-Boom, Pick-Pack-Boom, huwag mo kain ng karne. May lason pala yan. Phoenix, do not eat my shorts. Nang makita nila sa isang sulok, si Pick-Pack-Boom ay umiyak ito. Mula noon, nagbago na si Pick-Pack-Boom, hindi na sila nag-away ng kaniyang kapatid. Guys, try solving this on your own, guys. I'm giving you a hint. You're supposed to go to the house. Bye-bye, guys. Want to have another story next time?